Ultamize. Most candidates stop at the job description. They might glance at the company website, maybe read the About Us section, and they think they've done their research. Well, that's not research, that's surface level familiarity. If you want to stand out at an interview, you need to understand the company the way an insider would. Let's walk through exactly how to do that. Imagine a candidate named Priya. She's applying for a product manager role at a fast growing fintech company that offers budgeting and savings tools for younger consumers. Before using AI, her research would probably look like this. She reads the company website, she looks at a few blog posts, maybe checks LinkedIn. Now, compare that to what she does using AI. She starts by pasting the company name and asks, what are the biggest strategic priorities for this company based on recent public information? Now, the output might include expanding into new markets. It might say exactly what those markets are, increasing user engagement, improving monetization of free users. Now, Priya has a strategic lens. Next, she asks, what are the biggest challenges companies in this industry are facing right now? Now, the AI might return high customer acquisition, low retention rates, regulatory pressure, and it would give even more specific examples. Increased competition from established banks, might mention the specific banks. Now she understands the environment the company's operating in. Then she asks, what risk or concerns might a hiring manager at this company have when hiring a product manager? Now the input becomes even more valuable. It might include hiring someone who builds features without clear user demand, hiring someone who focuses on growth but doesn't keep the customers, ignores retention. We don't want that. Hiring someone who can't work effectively with engineering teams. Now, Priya understands what she needs to prove. Finally, she connects everything together. She asks, how would a strong product manager contribute to solving these companies' challenges in the first 6 months? Now she gets a practical picture of expectations. For example, launching features that improve user retention, running experiments to increase engagement, working closely with engineering to prioritize high impact updates. Now, when Priya goes into the interview, she's not just answering questions, she's speaking the company's language. Instead of saying something generic like, I'm passionate about building great products, she says, I noticed that many fintech apps struggle with retention after the first 30 days. In my last role, I worked on improving onboarding and early engagement, which increased 30-day retention by 18%. I'd be interested in how your team is thinking about that challenge. Well, that immediately signals understanding, relevance, and value. This is what analyzing a company really means. Not simply collecting facts, connecting strategy, challenges, and expectations. And once you do that, you don't feel like an outsider in the interview. You feel like someone who already belongs in the room.